Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing lemon cake. Trust me, this is so delicious. You have to try this recipe. It's absolutely divine, okay? And it's very easy to do. Just look at that. And it's so fluffy. Just look at it, it's so fluffy. So come along with me and let's do this. So easy recipe. You are welcome. So guys, to start, I'll add all my dry ingredients. So this is my flour, okay, and I'm adding some baking powder, okay. I'll put all the measurement down below. So you add this together and you set it aside. So guys, I have my butter. I just want to loosen it up a bit, okay, and then I'll add my sugar. I love using brown sugar because brown sugar gives your cake a really lovely taste, but you can use any sugar of your choice. So make sure that you whisk it nicely so that it becomes really lovely and fluffy, okay. That's what I like. So this is the texture I am going for. So I'm going to add my eggs, and make sure that you add the eggs one by one. Don't put all in it or it will just split. So guys, the next thing to do is to add a mixture of my milk and lemon juice, okay. I'll put all the measurement down below. The milk is a bit cold, so it will cause the mixture to split up, but it's okay. I add some zest of lemon, some vanilla paste, and then you add my flour and the baking powder. So easy recipe, guys. So guys, I have my tin already greased nicely, okay, with butter. So I'm going to pour my lovely mixture into my cake tin. So guys, you put this into the oven at 180 degrees for about 45 minutes. So guys, as the cake is cooling nicely, I want to make a lovely glaze for the cake. I have some icing sugar. I've added some lemon juice and some vanilla paste, and you just mix it together nicely. So easy to do. So guys, as you can see, it's so easy to do. You can choose not to add the glaze. It tastes amazing. I tell you, this cake is so delicious. Really enjoyed it. Just want to show you how fluffy the cake is. Just look at that. It's so fluffy and it's so delicious. You have to try this recipe. All right, so guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel, okay? And do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.